What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Oh my God, it's been a while. Yeah, usually I'm at a storage. Today I'm at my apartment complex. How fun. So today I'm doing some mcloving for the TL. Yeah, I put a new air intake finally in this car. I had to do it. The reason being, and it's raining, sucks when it rains. The reason I had to do it because something's going on with my engine. I don't know what it is. I don't know. So I just kind of swapped it out. I wish I did this like the beginning when I had this car, but I try to keep it stock because it's my daily car. First it was the Subaru. I was gonna keep that one, but the way that worked out, it wasn't gonna be fun. No, I was gonna turn this one into the same thing. What is going on here? Uh-oh. Okay. I think you're good. Sorry. Look at my suspension on my car. So it's supposed to be reverse. Yeah, let's go work this. Have this in storage and then keep the Subaru. But since the Subaru was acting up, I gotta swap it out. All that good stuff. But today I am doing. I ain't gotta show you much, but change out my rotors. Ugh, watch for these bad boys. And I gotta change the brake pads. TRQ. I'm doing my front, my back. My brake pads, they all TRQ's product. I usually change my brakes and my rotors. Probably depends how it is. Probably within maybe 2 years. Every 2 years. I used to do them every year. I don't know why. But now, yeah, today I gotta wash it. I gotta swap them out. These cars, boy oh boy, my car it needs some. Look at this. This needs some McLoving over here. A little rusted here. What is going on here? Okay, need some McLoving. That's what this thing. A car needs to make loving. So that being said, I'm gonna do just one side real quick. And technically, I think everybody knows how to do brakes. Only thing sucks is my selfie stick not working. I need a whole new selfie stick. I'm gonna do this side. What are we doing? Like always, I'm gonna do it quickly because when it starts raining, it starts pouring. Oh, please don't tell me this is my 12. Oh, I think it's a 14. It's a 14. Yay. I used to love having this Milwaukee one. Yeah, all my sockets. I'm missing one socket. It sucks. Yes, so as I'm doing this, I'm going to talk about Honda Fest. Honda Fest was actually beautiful. It was a lot of, like I said, you get whelmed with a lot of cars. Oh, nope, gotta go up. Oh, perfect. There we go. There we go. You get whelmed with a lot of cars there, like any other car show. I'm not mad, but I wish I would have had my car, the Honda Fix. Does this come with grease? Nope, it don't come with grease. Oh, it does. Okay, cool. I got the grease. Please. Let me see if I can go this one. Yeah, I need a whole new. This car I had for a very long time, so this car definitely needs to make loving. Yeah, so the car show was definitely very perfect. Very awesome, very good. I wish I just had my car ready and I would have been there, but it, you know, it's so good. We'll go get it done. I know everybody's like, get something to hang it. I don't have nothing to hang it. Matter of fact, I don't have a shoestring. That's the fun part. My brake's been acting up. Yes, but the ugh. It's not even dead. Look at these bad boys. Brakes are a little dirty today. Look at that. I don't know. Maybe that's what a spider had. I had a spider crawl inside my car. Yeah. So it is a lot. Yeah. Oh, that's not what I was about to say. Jesus Christ. Yes, so back what I was saying. I wish I would have had a car done because I'd have been absolutely ecstatic to have it in the show. But instead, like I always tell myself, you're only one person band and you can do but so much. Is it going up or is it going down? Oh, no, I think it might be going up. Yep, up it is. So, that car show was very awesome. It was a nice day. A lot of stuff that happens in that car show. There's some drifting. Actually, I wish I would have took more videos or pictures, but it's okay. I will be probably shooting for it to get into that car show next year. I have no excuses. I have me doing a lot of stuff to get it done. I wish I would have got. Ooh. So what is making my car? But again, it's all good. These are pretty good to have. It's like a little, what do you call this? Oh, it's an impact screwdriver for your screws for your rotors. I had one of these like a couple years ago, and oh wow, I didn't really have to. I thought I had to bang it. Nope, it's loosened. I'll take it. And so, box. Let's see how this bad boy fits. Usually I feel like I'm in a rush. I'm not in a rush today. I'm supposed to go fishing. That's my buddy. I'm not fishing today. I am so random talking today. Woo! Oh. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I can feel. The ridges. But yeah, this is the old one. Now let me tell you, Benny. That's one. Okay. Yep, down the line we're gonna have to do some stuff with this car. Yeah. So that was happening at the show. They had drift thing, which is super dope. They had giveaways. I put in for a raffle and I missed the raffle, so kind of mad with that. But overall, the show was awesome. Let's see how I know somebody gonna say something. Why didn't you put the cleaner on? Because I forgot to get it. Oh, is that all right? Nobody's perfect in working on cars or in life. So, that being said, these bad boys. Okay. About to say, Yep. So. This worked out perfectly. Yep, there we go. Yes, so this is pretty cool. Much better than my other ones. Let's see if I put in new ones up there. Yeah, they're not too bad. I wish I did grab my cleaner last night. Ugh. Yeah, I think next year I am gonna be doing some stuff with this car. What else do we have last week? Oh yeah, so that showed me good. But I did have for the Civic, I did get some low control arms for the Civic. I'm working on Snug Like a Rug. So I end up, what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so I got some more parts coming for the Civic. I gotta finish putting that stuff together, and I'll be happy to do. Once I do that, I'll be good to go. We just I don't have no type of. I'm just tightening it down with this tight. Brake pads. And so it might not be on the front. It might. I don't know. But I need to hurry up because when it starts pouring, hopefully hold out for another hour or so. Fast. Feels like a glove. Oh, shit. I think we need some new brake calipers. It's not bad, so, but I need a lot of new fun stuff in this car. Well, that was fun. So this will look like brake pads on. Now I got the other three. Thank you for watching, and there's more to come. Oh yeah. You know, we were talking about that. Sorry. I'm about to say the TL also got the air intake, but I forgot it. I was so concentrating getting these brakes on before it starts really pouring. Yeah, thank you for watching. I know this is nothing. Hope it helps somebody. Take your time, do it. It's not that hard to do. You ain't gotta go crazy about your brakes, not unless you're doing something real big with your car. But on that note, thank you for watching. If nobody's gonna do it for you, you do it for yourself. Keep logging in the channel, keep liking the videos. I appreciate it. Get me up there, please. Before the year is out, we're gonna get up there. Keep subscribing, all that good stuff. So on that note, catch you next time. Peace.